What's up, Magic Mod? Welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to show you how to make this wood lantern out of a Jenga set. All right, so for this lantern, we're going to use one Jenga set. I got this from Family Dollar for $5. And to start, we're going to make a top and a bottom. So this is one that I've already made. And I'm going to make the next top. And basically, all I'm gonna do is just glue each one of these pieces together. I used a total of 12 blocks for the top and bottom square, and all I'm doing to adhere these together, I'm using hot glue. That's it. Hot glue is the only adhesive that I'm using throughout this whole entire project. So I'm making sure that I'm hot gluing between each block and then also each set. So making sure that you got glue all the way around. Because it's only held with hot glue, you want to make sure that it is as secure as possible. All right, so that's it. So there is a top and there is a bottom. All right, so now we're gonna move on to basically the legs of the lantern, and all you're gonna do is get 4 blocks and connect those together at each end, just like this. Now you are actually going to need a total of 8 of these. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And now for the topper, we're going to take 2 pieces and we are going to stick one piece on top and then another on the other side. So the top is just 4 pieces, and this is going to be the top of our lantern. So the next part is to get some color on it. I'm going to use this wood stain, a wood finish called Dark Walnut, and you can choose whatever color you like. I liked this color here. We are going to do this before we actually put it together, because if you try to put it together first, it just makes it extremely difficult to get stain on every crack and crevice. So we're gonna paint first, or stain first, and then assemble. I'm making sure to put a coat, just a thick coat on every side, because you don't know which side you're going to end up showing. So just make sure you get the stain all the way around each piece. And for the top piece, whichever of the square pieces that you use as your top, you want to make sure that you stain the top and the bottom, because you don't want any natural wood to show underneath. So now this is the topper. You see I'm using a brush for this part because it is kind of hard to get into those cracks. So when you're using a stain, I would suggest a rag and a small brush to make sure that you're able to get into every corner. All right, so now on to assembling. So you're gonna take your legs, that I'm gonna call them. You're just gonna take your legs and more hot glue, and we are going to put a leg at each corner. All right, so once you have that leg on facing outward, now you're going to take a second leg and you're going to put it right up against that one, just like that. So basically every corner of your lantern, you'll have 2 legs. So you'll have 2 legs supporting every corner. And as you can see, I'm putting some on the bottom and on the side of this one, because once it sticks to the bottom, I also want it to stick to the other leg for more security. All right, so here's a shot that's from one side, and then from the other side, you'll see both of the legs will be showing. So we're just gonna glue these until we have all 8 of them in place. And there we go. Now I'm just showing you the front. So each side will look different. You'll have one side that will only have 1 row. And then the next side, you'll see you'll actually have 2 rows showing. So whichever one you choose can be your front. It doesn't matter. I just wanted to show you that. And then once you get them up, all you're gonna do is add more hot glue and then put your top on. I love hot glue, you guys, because it dries quickly. It is really not messy at all. I mean, you do get some strings everywhere. However, once hot glue dries, it's so easy to just pull right off. I did try the E6000 in one of my previous videos, and I just don't care for it. I do not care for it. It makes a mess everywhere. But if you're a fan of E6000, you know, do you, not a problem. I love hot glue. It just works very well to me. And then this is the top, which we're just going to glue the bottom and stick it right on again. And just like that, that is it. That's it, y'all. This is very, very easy, very inexpensive. Like I said, this one box cost me $5. And this is, I would say this is probably medium size. I did make another one. I made a larger one earlier, and that larger one, it was, I had to use a box and a half. So this just gives you an idea. But yeah, they actually turned out really cute and I love them. So here they are. I have them set up on my buffet in my dining room, and I just put some battery operated candles in them. I think they look really good. I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you did, let me know in the comment section below. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask. I try to get back to all comments, and also go ahead and leave a thumbs up as well. I think these turned out great. I love them. And then here's a view with the candles lit. So thank you guys so much for watching. Go ahead and subscribe if you love DIYs, and I will see you on the next one.